the most important of 12 monthly celebrations held throughout the year. Mahashivratri is a time for fasting, prayers, and offerings. Unlike most Hindu festivals, this unique event is celebrated at night, just as Diwali celebrates lights and colors. It's after it pays tribute to the dark and the emptiness that comes before creation, a time when anything is possible. Mahashivratri is an annual Hindu festival associated with fertility and family harmony. Taken from two words, Shiv and Ratri, it literally translates as the night of Lord Shiva and is dedicated to the great Hindu god who creates, protects, and transforms the universe. In India, the 14th day of every lunar month, the eve of the new moon and the darkest night of the month, is known as Shivratri. Of the 12 Shivratri that take place each year, Mahashivratri is the one with the most potent spiritual significance. Time coincides with the arrival of spring. Mahashivratri begins on the 13th night and 14th day in the last month of the Hindu calendar and lasts for around 12 days. This is one of the most spiritually important nights in the Hindu calendar. So it's marked all over India and is a national holiday in some other countries too. On the subcontinent, enormous gatherings materialize in temples nationwide, but the biggest can normally be found in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, which is where Lord Shiva supposedly once stayed. Devotees flock to Shiva shrines all over India, especially in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. The festivals is a great unifier of Hindu society. All castes, genders, ages, and social groups are joined in their collective worship with its undertone of fertility and family harmony. The occasion is an especially pertinent one for Hindu women. The roots of the festival and its modern significance are entwined in ancient Indian mythology. According to legend, Mahashivratri marks the occasion when Shiva first performed the Tandava Nritya, also known as the dance of primordial creation, preservation, and destruction. It was through this dance of devotion that Lord Shiva saved the world from destruction. Mahashivratri also marks the occasion of Shiva's marriage to the goddess Parvati and the day he became one with Mount Kailash. In the yogic tradition, Shiva is deified not as a god but as the Adi Guru, the very first guru from whom the science of yoga originated. Mahashivratri is a night of stillness and quietude, inspired by and devoted to the stoic grace of and discipline of Lord Shiva. The festival combines all-day fasting and an all-night vigil. During daylight hours, devotees rise early and take a ritual bath. After this ablution, they will head over to the nearest temple dedicated to Shiva to make offerings of milk, yogurt, honey, ghee, sugar and water in homes and temples throughout India. The sacred mantra of Shiva is chanted Om Namah Shivaya. Special puja are held during which incense is burned. Lamps are lit and streams pilgrims continue to appear during the day and into the night. Through it all, devotees maintain a solemn fast until the following morning. Mahashivratri is closely associated with fertility and creation. During the festival, unmarried women observe these fasts in the hope that they will find a partner, while married women observe the fast to give thanks and maintain the balance of harmony in their marriage.